Sister?
Yeah.
You already dumped a lot of cardamom, didn't you? See? So it smells pretty spicy in here, doesn't it, Lester? You can dump a little bit.
Yeah.
Dump a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go ahead. You want a bowl to dump it in? Oh, that was all of it, Lester.
Yeah. All gone.
It sure is all gone. What are you going to do with the cardamom seed pods now?
Eat this.
I don't know if you want to eat it. You can try it.
Try it.
Try it, Lester. What do you think?
Try it.
You did try it, didn't you? Do you like it?
Mommy, try it.
Oh, you think so?
Mommy, try it.
Thank you, Lester. Not much flavor, huh?
Daddy, try it.
Daddy's in bed. What's on the ground, Lester? What's on the ground? Are those spices?
No, clean up.
Okay, clean up the spices.
No.
Where are you pushing them? Is this fun? Oof, it smells spicy over here now, Lester.
Look at it.
What's that?
Abby.
Yeah, those are pepper.